This is the boat that me, my buddy Chandler, and my buddy Johnny just got for free. We're going to try and bring her back to life. It's a 49-foot Bruce Roberts. It's been abandoned on the Destin Harbor. Been sitting here for about 2.5 years now. Finally got a sticker from the state saying it needs to be removed or it'll be chopped up and discarded. She's gonna be a lot of work, but she's a solid boat all in all. Little soft spot in the deck right here. Got a hatch busted out. Walk downstairs. Still got a bunch of trash that we gotta get off of here. Bunch of refrigeration. Stove, oven. Pulled their generator out. Pulled the head off. Do a little rebuild on that. 3.5K, I believe. Rebirth area. There's actually like a little sink area back here on the corner. Got an engine room area. I think we're going to relocate the generator, build a shelf or something in here. We got a huge engine room area. Perkins 4108, I believe. Haven't really gotten into it yet. Got some crazy messages from some of the people that were here before. Shh, don't tell. Couple bad spots in the floors to be expected from the hatches being opened. We got a bad spot up here. We can see it messed up top, so it'd be pretty easy to seal up. Captain's quarters area, pretty sweet, about a queen bed or so. Front bathroom back here, kind of pulled apart. Yeah. That's it. 49 Bruce Roberts. It's like a little sea berth right here. I think we might rebuild these shelves up here, maybe do something like that along right here. Alright, that's her. Stay tuned.